Hey guys, so the spring is coming and I got this super cute bag in mellow color. I think this is such a springy color. This is perfect. It also comes in green color, so green, yellow, mellow color, and just perfect for the spring. So this bag actually a bag for twin bottles. So as you can see, we got two bottles right here. Each of them is 18 ounces. So look how cute it is. They come attached like this, but you can just slide it up. And this is how you can detach them. So if you want to give it to both of your kids, or you want to keep one for yourself and the other one for your significant other, for example, you can both use it simultaneously at the same time. So right here, you can just slide it and put it back again. And slide it up and you can both use it at the same time. Also pretty cool, there's some measurements over here on the side in millimeters. So up to 260 milliliters. So yeah, this is pretty useful. Also regarding the bag, as you can see, there's this version right here, as well as a chain one. So you can alternate between this, so it is very easy to switch. Let me switch it as I speak right now and show you how it looks like. So we have hooks like this over here and the same hooks for the chain version. So I'm going to attach right now the chain and show you the whole look. So here is one. So it really depends which style you're going for, what look you want to show. So you have an option of two different styles, the chain one and like the plain one. So here it is, very cute. Just check this out. Let me put the bottles inside. So here are the bottles. We'll close it. Okay. You can just get it, and it's a very pretty piece accessory for your look. And you get a bag to keep your bottles in, because all the time when you go out, especially as I mentioned this spring, you probably want to go out, go to the park, see your friends and so on, and you don't know where to put your bottles. So that's why it comes with this cute bag, in which you can actually also put your keys, your lipsticks, and other things as well. So this is a very cute, durable bag, see-through, easy to clean as well, very cute. You can just hang it, on your shoulder like so. So let's talk about bottles. These are very cute, 18 ounces, as I said, bottles. They both BPA free, odor free, they're completely safe. And what's good about it? It also comes with the straw inside. Again, everything is food grade safe. What's good about it is that sometimes you want to take two different drinks. Let's say you want a milk product and you want just water. So here we go. Now you can have two different drinks, beverages with you. Also, it is perfect if you have two kids. When you have two kids, they will just start fighting over the bottle. So here now you have two different bottles, one for one kid and the other one for your other kids. So we solved that problem for sure. It's also suitable for couples, so two bottles for you and your significant other. You just, when you go out with the friends, or just for yourself, as I mentioned, if you have to have two different drinks, so no worries, you can leave your house with two different ones, with these cute bottles, and you just put them in your bag and you will never lose them because they're just inside. And the bag looks very cute, very springish, very fashionable. It is very nice touch, nice style for a nice good day out, let's say. So very cute. Again, it comes in bright colors like this. Very nice material. Everything is food safe, and it's something that very convenient to have.